today's video. As you can tell, I'm in the EK right now, letting it warm up. It's kind of hot out today. It's kind of warm. It's like 50 degrees, so it's not too cold, so it shouldn't take long for this to warm up. I'm gonna be getting some things installed today. I plan on getting these installed today, the Quik latches. Pretty simple. I just gotta drill holes onto the bumper and onto the frame and get that done. If you guys didn't know, I got my license plate in the front installed also. It's held by one bolt, but it's pretty tight, so it shouldn't fall off. And we're gonna be working on my tail light. I don't know if LA Lighting sent me a defective one or not, but if I have my like headlights on, the tail lights will just like stay on, saying that I'm braking, which I'm not. So I don't know what it could be. It could be like a wiring giving it constant power or something like that, something simple. But we're gonna figure that out today. And right now, I think the car is ready to go, warmed up. So I'm gonna see you guys at my brother's house. See you guys there. Whoa! There we go. I just got to my brother's. About to go inside, chill for a little bit, and then we'll get this started. Hopefully we can get it fixed. I hope. But if not, then I don't know. I might do like a third brake like or some, so they know that I'm braking at least. But hopefully we get it fixed, but we'll see. I'm gonna go inside real quick, chill for a little bit. And yeah, I'm tired, low-key. I've been sleeping like all day today, so I'm trying to be productive. It might be this weather, because earlier the sun was out, but now it's just been muggy and dark, which is not cool. Oh. So we out here at Midwest Auto World. If you guys didn't know, they are having a detail shop right here, right next to them. So go check them out. But figure out the light problem. Ended up being the bulbs, tragically. So I'm running back to OEM again. Might order another set. We'll see. I don't know. I'll probably give them a call. And hopefully they'll be able to warranty me the light bulbs or something. But damn, what the hell happened here? I know, and right here. Crack. Perfect. So we back at the crib, doing the Quik latch. Yeah, with the plug. Doing the Quik latch. So the way we installed it is where the headlight mount right here will go to. The other side is broken, so usually we'll put it right here.
Goes right here.
Usually we put it right here, the way LA Tommy did, but we ended up going this route.
And got so happy he just.
I know. Other side.
Your filter too.
I know. Look how dirty this filter is.
Yeah, that's LA Tommy. You just need to take a day.
IA Vip.
Take a day just to
Let's try that. Hold on, you want to test fit this one first?
Alright, so now we're test fitting it on this side. Hopefully it goes in. If not, looks like we need a new EK bumper.
Okay, mine's fine on this. This is wobbly.
Yeah, mine's not.
Pushed in all the way, probably.
Alright y'all, we just got back from eating, and as you can tell it's dark, but we finally finished this piece right here. This Quik latch.
Ready?
I'll show you guys how it works. You gonna show them how you put it back on?
Yeah. Like this. There you go.
And there you go, it's on. Just like that. There's a little bit of gap there, but I really don't care. As long as the bumper is on. Easy to get off and put on. Same thing on the other side. Clean. Time to put everything back together, and that'll probably be it for the video. Hope you guys like this video. I wish I could be more thorough, but we had a lot of fails trying to install this, so yeah. Hope you guys like the video.
I think we ate too long.
Probably. But anyways, hope you guys like the video. I'm out. Peace.